Understanding Undefined Slope, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating mathematical concept, undefined slope. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Let's dive in and unravel the mystery of undefined slope. In mathematics, a slope is a number that describes how steep a line is. Imagine a hill. A slope tells us if the hill is very steep or gently sloping. In technical terms, slope is the ratio of the vertical change to the horizontal change between 2 points on a line. Now, let's focus on the phrase undefined slope. A slope is considered undefined when a line goes straight up and down, or vertically. In this case, there's no horizontal change, only vertical. Since we can't divide by zero in mathematics, the slope of a vertical line is undefined. It's like trying to divide a number by zero. It just doesn't work. To make it easier, let's use an everyday example. Think of a ladder leaning against a wall. If the ladder is flat on the ground, it has a zero slope. But if it's standing straight up, it has an undefined slope. In English, when we say something is undefined, it means it cannot be described or given a value. Just like our straight-up ladder. I hope this explanation helps clarify what undefined slope means in a fun and easy-to-understand way. Remember, learning English and mathematics can be challenging, but also incredibly rewarding. Keep practicing, and you'll master these concepts in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.